Ah, okay. That was a fun restoration project. It was simple. I did maybe an hour and a half per day on it, and then did other things, but it turned out well. Everything's complete. RBC. Got shock mounts on it. I didn't bother painting the case. That's okay. Yeah, that's alright. So, cleaned up. Some kind of paint job on the front was horrible. Cleaned all that off and repainted everything, as well as put on a base plate on the back on the receiver itself out of the case. Seems to be missing something, and it's just a plate, small plate. Anyway, did that, cleaned up, took off all the old paint, made a couple of knobs for the front, which they are famous for. What else I do? Added a couple of these guys. Two were missing, so I had a couple extras. Put them together. Yeah. I'm sure it's going to work okay. Everything's complete, looks new inside, and I treated it with my WD-40 oil treatment. All the wires and everything that to re-soften them up. So it's a fun one. I like these old monsters. The old days, it was $4,500 to build them in 1941. Used on Navy ships for a long time, up into the 50s. Very reliable. They work great. I got couple working. So let's see what's going to come up next. I think it's going to be another receiver I can redo. Two of them, actually. One, I just have to build a case for it, no problem. Another one probably needs a cleaning. And I have a bunch of other new arrivals coming in. So, these take an external power supply, which I have a number of. All in all, it's about 150 pound receiver with the power supply. That's about 90 pounds, maybe. Power supply, I think, I don't know. It's just 50 or 60, I don't know, forget. But anyway, that is a done project, and on to other things. So I'll store all the new arrivals in here for now until I rearrange a few things and put them in the proper locations. So, I'm learning. I am learning, I tell you. I'm learning, Bones, I'm learning. But so well built. If you want to listen to static or earthquake noises, I strongly recommend a Holocrafter's type inline tube. Means no power transformer, just the tubes take up the line voltage. It kind of acts as a big antenna. The 50 volt tube, a 35 volt tube, and the rest of them make up to 110, 120 volts. I used to have one. I haven't got one now. I use other receivers, fine. If you look on eBay, Holocrafters, inline tubes, learn about that, and you got yourself a good detector for things. And anyway, they call it the Widow Maker because of the inline tubes at 50 volts. Holocrafters Widow Maker. Vacuum tube only, right? Right. The modern stuff filters out a lot of good stuff. Okay. Take care. Gotta go. Gotta run. Ah ha 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 ha.